What I wish I knew at my first party instead of stressing over snacks: how to make a killer cheese and charcuterie board. First things first, let's gather our goodies. We'll need 3 types of cheese: soft like brie, hard like aged cheddar, and a blue like gorgonzola. Don't forget the meats: salami, prosciutto, and chorizo. Got your cheeses and meats? Sweet. Now grab some olives, nuts like almonds, dried fruits like figs, and a variety of breads and crackers. For spreads, think honey, jam, or even mustard. Next up, the board. You can use a wooden cutting board, a slate, or even a large platter. Just make sure there's plenty of room to get creative. Start by placing your cheeses first, then add your meats. Fold them into fun shapes. Fill in the gaps with olives, nuts, and dried fruits. Arrange the breads and crackers around the edges. Finally, spoon your spreads into small bowls and place them around. For that Insta-worthy look, use height and stack some items. Mix textures and colors: creamy cheeses, crunchy nuts, colorful fruits. And remember, don't overcrowd. Leave some room for grazing. Serve it up with cute napkins and toothpicks. Let your guests mix and match flavors. It's all about enjoying the experience together. Thanks for watching. If you love this, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty tips. Happy feasting, and see you next time.